race is started. We have number 3 South Apo. Break quickly restart. Sense of Humor is on the outside. Swerteng Lorky. Rushing about the outside is Z. Barreto, Mr. Tatler. Isa pa comes next. One Direction. Congregation. While Boardwalk is there. Trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have South Apo by about 2 lengths. Sense of Humor in second. Si Barreto now to take third. And in fourth comes Swerteng Lorky. Isa pa. Now moving up on the outside. One Direction comes next. Head on the outside is Mr. Tatler. Boardwalk now second last, while Congregation is racing in last. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have South Apo by Orling and Si Barreto. Moving up now on the outside is Isa pa. And in fourth comes Sense of Humor. Swerteng Lorky. One Direction comes next. And they are now entering the home stretch. South Apo. Isa pa is on the outside. Si Barreto. Sense of Humor is running by the last day. Swing for home. We have South Apo by about 3 lengths. Sense of Humor. Si Barreto. Isa pa is on the outside. Last 50 meters from gate to wire. It's South Apo. Second, isa pa. Sense of Humor. One Direction, si Barreto. And Swerteng Lorky.
Finally, from the stable of Tito Puch Puyat, entry number 3, that is South Apo, skippered by D.D. Flores. Masasegundo po dito yung numero 2 nating isa pa. Numero 6, Sense of Humor. At